This is an overview video for the Configure and Version sub-app for the CADSharp Toolbox. Open up your Toolbox. And open up the Configure and Version sub-app. This is for within a Part Studio, so an empty Part Studio. So what this is made for is taking imported parts and turning them into a list configuration. And then it also has the option to delete those part studios, those imported part studios, and other files from your current workspace so that you end up with just one part studio that is configured to versioned imports. So let's go ahead and import some parts. I've got 3 parts here: a cylinder, a square, and a hexagon, so that you can easily see what the configuration is doing. So the import brought in a hexagon, a square, and a cylinder. Now these could be anything. It could be car parts, it could be frames, and then we've got the import files over here. And so the end goal is to end up with a drop-down option for selecting any of those different shapes or parts in this single part studio. So we'll go to Configure and Version, and we'll go ahead and delete all those other studios from this workspace. So click Configure and Version. So you'll notice it deleted all those other tabs, it versioned the document, and created this drop-down in just a matter of seconds. And we'll go ahead and hide the toolbox. So we've got these 3 different options here in the configuration. There's a derive, and what this is doing is this is deriving parts, those imports, from this version that the app created. So Configure and Version, Web App. And if you look over here, we do have this configuration list that it created based on the part names. And the app, it did leave one folder down here, but it's empty now. So we can keep it or delete it, unpack it. And that is how Configure and Version works.